It's hydrangea season in the garden. I have 10 Nico Blues. We're going to start at the one end of the garden and work our way up. The biggest ones are by the porch. Now we're coming into the sunshine. All my Nico Blues come from 2 plants, and here they are. These are the original 2 Nico Blues. No matter how much they're pruned, they become this every summer. They get the harsh afternoon sun. They wilt every afternoon and perk back up when the sun goes down. And they seem to thrive in those rather adverse conditions for the, oh, here's some good sedum and some lamb's ears and Easter lilies. And now we'll go down the driveway to these 2. This hydrangea has had the unfortunate issue of having been run over by a guest in the dark one time, and when it was trying to make a comeback, got eaten by deer. So we're sort of thrilled that it's managed to not only survive, but to actually grow and produce some flowers. Now, this is what it might look like because it was planted at the same time as this one. These 2 babies from the original 2 Nicos. And this is what you might look like if you're not run over or eaten by a deer. Now we have to go to the backyard, to that one back there in the back corner. We have to get through the gate. So here we go. Through the back gate. There's another Easter lily and the blackjack sedum. But we're going to go, there's a rather late blooming azalea. Bluebird box out, and there goes the dog, Lucy. Thinking we're going for a walk. But there's the meditation garden hydrangea with a dog tail. Yep, and there she goes down the garden path, or really the wood path. Yes, and here we have our Jurassic Lusta. Here we can see how, and that's only a part of one that I moved there. Imagine what it looked like before that. So we're going to go back. Try to do this fairly quickly. Well, of course, there's the Buddha and the hellebore. And there are 2 Annabelle hydrangeas Those are not part of the Nico Blue family. I'm hoping to be able to keep them alive until such time as we can actually get to see Rachel. I could mention this little hydrangea, which has been planted here for about 7 or 8 years. It's not a Nico Blue. It's supposed to be an ever flowering hydrangea. It's actually a little surprising that it's survived. So, but here's another Nico Blue in the woodland garden. Another hosta trying to be Jurassic. The last of the still be blooming. And over here, past the bird bath, we have the last of the Nico Blues and the baby of the bunch as far as age is concerned, nestled in this dark little corner of the yard. And that's the end of the hydrangea tour.